more minutes.
Good morning, Evelyn. How was your day yesterday?
Oh no, don't ask me that before coffee.
See, we talk about our day all the time. But do you know how to do it naturally in English? Like a native speaker?
Stay with us because by the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your whole day from morning to night smoothly and confidently. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English, the place where learning English feels like having coffee with friends.
Hey there, it's Paul. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're talking about one of the most useful topics ever, how to talk about your day in English.
That's right. We use these phrases every single day at school, at work, or when chatting with friends online.
And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps our little English family grow.
Okay, ready? Let's start our day in English. Let's start with the morning. How do you begin your day, Paul?
First, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
That sounds like a calm morning. I usually wake up around 8, but I stay in bed for 10 minutes scrolling on my phone.
Yes, the classic "I'll get up soon" lie.
So, if you want to talk about your morning, you can say, I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I get dressed, I have coffee.
Notice we use the present simple tense because these are daily routines.
Right, we don't say, I am waking up at 7. That sounds strange. We say, I wake up at 7.
Let's imagine we meet in the morning.
Okay,
Hey, Evelyn, how's your morning going?
pretty good. I woke up early today, had a big breakfast, and went for a walk. You?
Nice. I woke up late, so I had to run to work.
Classic Paul.
See, we just used past tense because the morning is already finished. So we said, I woke up, not I wake up.
Exactly. So remember, use present tense for routines, what you usually do. Use past tense for what already happened. Now let's move to the afternoon.
My favorite time. Lunch.
Of course. So in the afternoon, you can say, I go to work. I start work at 9. I have lunch at 1.
Or if you're a student, I go to school. I study English. I eat lunch with my friends.
Let's listen to a short story about Paul's afternoon.
My afternoon was so busy today. I answered emails, had 2 meetings, and finished a big project.
Wow, that sounds productive. I had a relaxed afternoon. I read a book and drank tea.
That's the dream life.
Did you notice the verbs? I answered, I had, I finished. These are past tense verbs because the day is over.
Yes, and they make your English sound natural and fluent when you talk about your day.
Now it's evening. You finished work or school, and it's time to relax.
Ah, yes. My favorite time of the day.
Of course. So to talk about your evening, you can say, I get home, I cook dinner, I watch TV, I spend time with my family. I go to bed at 11.
Sometimes I also say, I unwind. It means to relax after a busy day.
That's a beautiful word. Say it with us. Unwind. It sounds peaceful, doesn't it?
Hey, Evelyn, how was your evening yesterday?
It was lovely. I cooked pasta, watched a movie, and called my mom.
That sounds perfect. I just ordered pizza and fell asleep on the couch.
Everyone has those days. See how natural that sounds? You don't need big, fancy words, just clear, simple sentences.
Sometimes you want to say how you feel about your day.
Yes, not just what you did, but how it was. You can say, my day was great. It was okay. It was tiring. It was fun.
You can also use adjectives like busy, boring, amazing, relaxing.
For example, today was a relaxing day. Yesterday was so busy.
And when someone asks you, "How was your day?" you can answer, "It was good, thanks. How about yours?"
Hey, Paul, how was your day?
It was great. I finished all my work early and went to the gym. How about you?
Pretty good. I tried a new recipe and watched my favorite show.
Sounds like a nice, easy day.
See? Simple, short, and friendly. That's how native speakers talk about their day.
Now, here's a small secret to sound more native-like.
Use connectors.
Right. Words like then, after that, and finally.
For example, I woke up at 7, then I had breakfast, and after that, I went to work.
These small words make your English flow like a story.
Try this one. After work, I met my friends for coffee, then we went for a walk. Finally, I went home and watched a movie.
Nice. It sounds natural and connected.
Okay, let's put it all together. Here's how I would describe my day. I woke up at 8, I had coffee and read the news. Then I went to work and taught 2 English classes. After that, I met a friend for lunch. In the evening, I cooked dinner, watched a movie, and went to bed around 11.
Beautiful. Now my turn. I woke up late. Oops. Then I rushed to the office, answered emails, and had a meeting. After work, I went to the gym, cooked dinner, and watched a show before bed.
See? 2 very different days, but both sound natural.
That's the power of simple storytelling in English.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. 1. Use present simple for daily routines, like I wake up, I eat breakfast.
2. Use past simple for yesterday, like I woke up, I went to work.
3. Use connectors, like then, after that, and finally.
4. Add feelings, like it was fun, it was relaxing.
Exactly. And remember, your goal isn't to sound perfect, it's to sound comfortable.
Every time you talk about your day, your brain gets stronger and your confidence grows.
Every small word you say grows your confidence. So keep talking, keep smiling, and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching.
Now, we want to hear from you. Write in the comments, how was your day?
Use the sentences we practiced today. We'll read your answers and maybe feature them in our next video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also learning English.
You're doing amazing. See you next time and have a wonderful day.